Welcome to Kroolo. In this video, we will see how you can use formula column in projects. Here we have a project, and we can see a list of all the tasks. There are two columns in this project, current work count and target count. We're going to use the formula column to auto-populate the remaining work here. To do that, simply click on the plus symbol. Then go to New Column and in the search type formula. Click on Add. Here we need to enter the column name. Simply type the name of the column. The column type is already selected. We can also add a column description. This one is pretty self-explanatory, so we will keep it empty and simply hit Add Column. Our column is now added. Next, we need to add the formula. To add the formula, simply click on this. We can either use a basic formula or an advanced formula. Here we will find all the functions. We have all the properties and the arithmetic operators. We are going to use the basic formula. So let's head back to the basic section to calculate the remaining work. We're going to subtract the current count from the target count. Let's select the first field, target count. Then select the subtract operator. Now we need to select the current count. Our basic formula is ready. Let's hit save. As we can see, all the values are auto-populated instantly. That's how you can use the formula column in your projects.